Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will like to present about investing in gold.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AZMINA binti Mufaisal. So today my friends and I will present about gold. What is gold? Gold is a yellow metal that need to be mined. It is because gold cannot be created. So there are several properties of gold that we can list. Firstly, in terms of color, the color is yellow but can be colored like pomegranate or black if finely divided. Next, gold also is a very good electrical conductor and also easy to forge. Next, we go to the story of the first dinar. Around 570 until 632 Masihi, the Arabian Peninsula had no currency of their own. They used coins made of gold and silver as a medium of exchange in all aspects of finance. For example, in business transactions, paid soldiers' salaries, tax collection, and so on. Rasulullah SAW also recognized the use of this money when it is narrated that Rasulullah himself used gold coins to buy goats and silver coins as a dowry around 695 Masihi, when the Muslims were under the auspices of the fifth Umayyad Caliphs, Khalifah Abdul Malik bin Marwan. The first gold currency in Islamic civilization was produced, and this gold coin was called dinar to replace the use of Byzantine coins. However, after the fall of the last Islamic government, Islamic countries no longer use the dinar as money and replace it with paper money as we can see now. This is why many of us nowadays don't know and don't understand that gold is actually money. Next is product from public goods. Since 1967, there are the existence of modern dinar. The aim is to protect someone's wealth and create very valuable assets from long-term storage. One of the gold company that also produce modern dinar is Public Gold. Public Gold is the largest local company that produce its own gold ingots, silver ingots, dinars, dirham for investment purpose. There are two types of dinar products from Public Gold. First, LBMA dinar, import from Turkey. Local dinar produced in Malaysia. And they are also got gold ingots as follows: gold bar 0.5 gram, gold bar 1 gram, gold bar 5 grams, 10 grams, 20 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams, 250 grams, and 1 kilograms. And gold dinar 0.5 dinar, 1 dinar, 5 dinar, and 10 dinar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asiah binti Suaibunaha. So today I would like to present about gold investment risk. Okay, investing in gold is one of the least risky investment. However, investment must have risk, either less or more. Among of gold investment risk is not suitable for short-term investment. Who want to get profit faster, this investment is not suitable. Even the investor can lose when they invest in short term, which is they buy and they sell it as soon as they buy the gold. Okay, that is because every gold, either gold jewellery or dinar or gold bar, there is a depreciation after making a purchase. So, if one profit from gold investment, investor have to wait until the price gold rise, and the percentage increase in price is higher than the percentage of depreciation. So that's it. Gold investment is for long term and not for short term. Okay, next is the gold investment risk is unsafe if the asset are held by the investor themselves. That is because keeping their own gold will be vulnerable to risk of theft and loss. Okay, in Sinar Harian 2020, there is a daughter who steal her mom gold jewelry for her boyfriend. Okay, so that's it. When we keep the gold by own, even we put it at the safe place, it not safe. Okay, because there is thief everywhere. Okay, lastly, gold investment risk is vulnerable to usury. Okay, as a Muslim, of course, we will choose Sharia compliant investment place. Okay, so if a Muslim investor choose wrong place to invest, that's not based on Al-Quran and As-Sunnah, of course, Muslim investor are at risk of engage in usury. Okay, usury can be done when there is no delivery goal when investor make purchase. This system commonly used by conventional bank that provide or introduce gold investment. So when there is no delivery goal when investor make purchase, that is categorized as usury. Okay, so that's all from me. That is several gold investment risk. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we move to the next slide. The next slide is of analysis of performance product public gold. The public gold company is also a new company that was established in 2008 and has yet to establish a branch in Malaysia. However, following an increase in the company's share capitals in 2008, the company's operator grabbed the opportunity to open the company's first branch in Malaysia. Investing in and purchasing gold is a smart decision for someone who is interested in it because of the many benefits they can get. Gold, on the other hand, has a value and price that fluctuated over time from 2016 to 2020. The volume price have changed. The graph show the price of 2016 to 2020. Price have a downward and upward trend from time to time, as seen in the graph, and there is a rise in price from 2016 to 2020. The price list in October 2016 is 1,000 USD per ounce, which is equal to 28.35 gram of gold. The price that has been set in the public gold company is based on the actual price of gold in the world. The spike in 2020 of price gold, this is due to the COVID-19 virus, which is quickly spreading across the world. Concern about a spike in COVID-19 cases and inflation expectation from further economic stimulus that fueled demand for gold, which nearly reached a 9-year high. During the month, the spot price of gold rose to 1,817.23 US dollar per ounce, or around RM 275 per gram. And the price of gold is expected to rise 19.7% by 2020 to about 300 US dollar per ounce. Malaysia, Public Gold Malaysia have a large and best physical gold and silver producer. A solid, well-known gold company that has been approved by Bank Negara Malaysia and was the first to manufacture gold and silver in gold recognized by Malaysian Board of Record. So the following are some of the analysis product offered by the company. A gold buying operation that operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. According to the international gold price, public gold can be purchased or sold online 24 hours a day. Which gold and silver are physical commodities. Public gold can be traded at any time because it is used a mechanism to buy and sell gold through the internet 24 hours a day. Any customer who want to buy gold but does not want to go to the branch can now do so through this method. So the web is www.pgmall.my. The second point is public gold has many branches in Malaysia. In addition to several gold dealer or distributor, public gold has 18 branches throughout Malaysia. Public gold operate daily except a public holiday in every state in Malaysia. The third point is various gold product like gold bar, bunga emas, dinar emas, and all of that is exclude GST price. For the information added, public gold company has been listed in LBMA good delivery list. Is official categorized as investment price precious metal IPM under GST exempt supplier order by Malaysian Federal Government Gazette. Public gold product are now GST exempt. The fourth is program GAP, Gold Accumulation Program. This program is about enable small cap gold investor to gradually acquire gold in order to obtain large gold bar with lower percent spread and higher profit. The GAP public gold, the GAP GAP public gold program requires gold buyer to buy gold in small increment beginning at RM100 or buy 1 gram of gold. Which is the customer should have a account of GAP to purchase gold in gold dinar or GST free jewellery at nearby public gold branch. For the last point is the public gold is the Sharia compliant. Public gold obtain official Sharia endorsement for trading procedures from Amani Advisors Sdn Bhd in 2016. Amani Advisors is a leading Sharia advisory firm specializing in Islamic finance solution, covering a wide range of service including Sharia advisory and consultancy, training and research development for institutional and corporate client, focusing on Islamic financial service. Okay, so that's all for this analysis of product of public gold. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is MOHAMAD bin AHMAD. So for the first part, I will present about the whether a newbie should invest money in gold investment. So based on data that we have provided on Google Form to the class 4B, we have conclude that 27 from 31 students agree that a newbie should invest money in gold investment. So why newbie should invest money in gold investment? Because gold can be as asset for long-term store of value. For the second point is it can be asset of last resort, and the third is it can be as commodity that highly liquid, and the last one as asset diversify. So the meaning of long-term store of value which is gold has acted as a reliable store of value because it fulfills the functions of money, which is it is cannot easily destroyed, relatively scarce, and cannot be manufactured. Also, it is easily to identify and acceptable as a form of payment. Next, we move to the second point, which is why newbie should invest in gold, because it can be as asset of last resort, which is as we know, gold is known as the asset of last resort because throughout history, national currencies have come and gone, but gold has remained remarkably stable, uh, which is gold is an asset which does not depend upon any governments or corporations promise to repay. Then, for the third point, gold is known as a highly liquidated, uh, which is it can be sold 24 hours a day in one or more markets around the world. This cannot be said of most investments, including stocks of the world's largest corporations. Finally, it takes about the same amount of time to execute a trade in gold as it does for stocks and bonds. So, for the last one, why newbie should invest in gold? Because it can be as asset diversified. Gold can play a vital role in diversifying your portfolio. For this reason, many experts urge investors to keep a portion of their total assets in gold. So, the purpose of diversification is to protect the total portfolio against fluctuations in the value of any one asset class. For the last slide, is about the relationship of gold price and stock market. So, theoretically, there is an inverse relationship between the stock market and gold price, and the standard view is that these two markets are negatively linked, which is when the stocks go up, the gold dives, and vice versa. So, for the explanation, there have been circumstances where the stocks markets rise and gold price fall. Gold price may also rise in sympathy for the fall in stock price. The reason lies in the perception of the market by the investors. Investors who foresee a bearish market usually take positions in gold futures to safeguard their investments. Also, many investors option to invest in the stock market as well as gold in order to minimize or eliminate the systematic risk. It is also considered as an insurance against risk to invest in gold as well as in using gold as a hedging tool. This is because gold is seen as a store of value, while the stock market is only seen as a return of value.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL and DAHALAN, and I would like to present on the suggestion to those who want to venture into gold investing. Firstly, to those who want to venture into gold investing, I need to choose gold or 99.9 dinar gold is a special gold for investment than jewelry. I said that because jewelry has a high depreciation rate as compared to bar or dinar. On the selling of jewelry, depreciation will hit 30% of the original purchase price. The gold dinar is an important tool for defending smaller countries from global economic instability and inequality. Next, investment in gold for the long term. A gold investment in the form of physical gold is a long-term investment. As a result, proper gold investment involves buying gold on a regular basis in order to eventually accumulate gold. Gold does not pay dividends, but its value increased over time. Its use in the currency domain includes physical and electronic payment transaction e-dinar as well as zakat payment. Even used as long-term savings such as for marriage, children's education, retirement day savings, for emergency, savings to go on pilgrimage and more. Also, investing in gold dinars will ensure that your money is safe and secure for the future. Lastly, buy gold while trading gold. Being a public gold trader or agent is the best gold investment strategy to get gold at a lower price. Public Fund Gold International is a company engaged in gold trading for investment purpose with competitive price and 24K standards. Each customer sells to the dealer at a PG buy price. However, traders buy gold at an unaffected price. Traders also can buy at a price that includes depreciation to keep or sell to other customers at a PG sale price.
My name is IZZATUL binti MUKHTAR. As a conclusion, based on the information and explanation from my friends, we know that gold was once used as a coin, or we call it as a dinar, and as a medium of exchange in all aspects of finance. Nowadays, gold become one of the investment assets. People tend to choose gold investment as it is most safest among other investments. Other than that, gold price is most stable and also popular as an item with anti-inflation characteristic. It also provides competitive return compared to other major financial assets. Besides that, gold also offers downside protection and positive performance. Last but not least, before you make any decision to invest, make sure you do in-depth research about gold investment or any type of investment. Make sure you really understand the investment instrument and risk involved in the investment. We highly recommend it for those who want to invest in gold investment to choose public gold company, as it is one of the most trusted company in Malaysia. And what's more important, public gold company has obtained a Sharia compliance certificate from Amani Advisory Sendirian Berhad. That means that all gold trading process with public gold have been certified Sharia compliant. Therefore, public gold company is a suitable place to start gold investment, especially for Muslim investor. I think that's all from us. We really appreciate your time and your attention. Thank you.